Hello friends, today I am taking an important tricks regarding permutation and combination. These tricks they are very useful for CSIR NET, and one of them is the number of non-negative integral solution of an equation of the form x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to so on xk is equal to n, where n is a natural number, is n plus k minus 1 c k minus 1. Number of these things combined, these at a time. For example, the total number of non-negative integral solution of an equation x plus y plus z plus w is equal to 23. It means we have to find the possible values of x, y, z and w so that their sum is 23, and we have here 4 variables. The number of non-negative integral solution would be 23 plus number of variables minus 1 c 4 minus 1. Here 4 is number of variables. This would be equal to 26 c3, and after solving this expression we get 2600 is the required answer, or you can say that the total number of non-negative integral solution. Tip number 2 or trick number 2, the number of ways of dividing n identical objects into k groups if blank group is not allowed is n minus 1 c k minus 1. To support this statement, I have taken an example, that is total number of ways of distributing 5 identical balls into 3 boxes so that no box is empty. This would be, here we have 5 number of identical balls, 5 minus 1, and we have to place those balls into 3 boxes. So 5 minus 1c, 3 minus 1, that would be equal to 4c2. After solving this expression we get 6. There are 6 ways by which we can distribute 5 identical balls to 3 boxes so that no box is empty. Third one, which is most important, to find the number of divisors. Number of divisors of n, any number, would be equal to p1 raised to power a, p2 raised to power b, p3 raised to power c, up to so on pk raised to power d. This is nothing but the prime factorization of n, and the number of divisors would be raise the power of primes get increased by 1 and get multiplied. We get the possible number of divisors or total number of divisors of n. For example, total number of divisor of 30 are, we make a prime factorization of 30 as 2 into 3 into 5, and their powers are 1, 1, 1. Increase their power by 1, that is 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 by 1, and get multiplied. It means it is equal to 8. So we have 8 divisors of number 30. They are total number of divisor of a particular number n. Now fourth one is to find the sum of numbers found by n non-negative digits. The sum of numbers found by n non-negative or non-zero digits is sum of digits into n minus 1 factorial into 10 raised to power n minus 1 upon 10 minus 1. The supporting example is the sum of all numbers found by the digits 1, 2, 3 is, first of all, get their sum, 1 plus 2 plus 3, get multiplied by n minus 1 factorial, here n is 3, 3 minus 1 factorial, into 10 raised to power number of digits minus 1 over 10 minus 1, that is 9. After solving this expression, we have 1, 3, 3, 2. This is nothing but the sum of all numbers found by these 3 digits. Thank you.